We're standing outside the First Avenue T Light Rail Station parking garage. There's 643 First Avenue right there with the old Westinghouse. And we're gonna ride some Schindlers. Looks like the train's coming. There's a train. Ooh, yeah, he's looking quite promising. Here they are. Here are the elevators. Let's go ride them. Let's go on this one first. Custom. Please don't swear in this. Go to 6. Door closed by the dog work. Let's look out the window. Listen to this motor.
Calm down.
Epic E flat pitch motors. Trains left. Here yard 6. Head back down to 1, then we'll switch cars. Installed in 2001. Go back down to 1. I like that. We're gonna go on another one, then get a view. Installed in 2000. Let's get the cab view. Nice window. Just your basic parking garage elevator. Installed in 2001. Custom EPCO. Hands-free ADA code compliant foam. Or no, wait, I think this is Adams. Wait, I think this is Adams.
You're moving the camera a lot. It's hard to follow sometimes. Slow down.
2,500 pound capacity.
Yeah, I think we're okay.
We're going to send this one up. Then we are going to ride one of the other ones.
Between me and you, we have a ton to spare.
Yep, this is custom Adams. Send this one up. Let's watch it go up. Let's watch it go up. There it goes. Now let's ride this one. Let's ride this one now. Dad, we got this one. Let's go ride it. Smells kind of strange in here. Go up 6.
This one's a bigger elevator.
Let's watch the 4 indicator. Epic motor. This opened in 2001 along with the T station itself. This is kind of like the Hydro Regency New Brunswick, except it's a hydro. Bouncy stop, installed in 2001. We have a distant crop over there. But there's a train. Let's watch it leave. Blue Line South Hills Village. Let's watch the train leave. Let's get a view. Sorry, sadly, I'm unable to watch the train leave. Yeah, here's the roof of the First Avenue T Station parking garage. There's the Liberty Bridge, 643 First Avenue. Let's watch the train leave. Let's watch it leave. Let's get a view here. Come on, Dad, let's head back down. There's the view again. There's the rest of the garage, MPE. Got this one again. Get a view. 1. Let's get same as the other ones.
Going down.
No smoking. Oh, there's a train. There's a train. Red line to Allegheny. Elevator number 1. After this, we're going to go ride another elevator out over there. I'm going to show you where it is.
Sure.
Takes forever to level. Here we are.
If they come out and you look pretty much.
There it goes, and that's it.